G'day guys, Ninja here with Jace.
G'day.
Our model for the day. He's done himself a bit of a mischief. What have you done, man?
Yeah, so I woke up Tuesday, so it's currently Wednesday,
Yep.
and yeah, had a bit of a pretty sore neck. So as soon as I got out of bed, I was like, oh yeah, it was pretty sore rotating to this side, so pains on this side. So rotating to that side was really sore. Felt like it was really pinching sort of along the neck, but then I could also feel it coming out into this trap. Rotating away was sort of more like a pulling sort of sensation. Extension was really compressive and pinching. So I was doing a lot of work on it myself and treating through the trap here. But yeah, just couldn't get enough release. And then I got Josh to treat it as well, and that freed up a lot of the pain. Like I've got most of my movement back. There's just a couple of things that are still a little bit grabby, like lateral flexion sort of compresses a little bit, and then just feels like there might be a little bit still lingering in this sort of trap and like SCM up here. So I thought I'd get Ninja to show his mastery.
Yeah. So the good thing about necks, they can be easy because you can use the intel of the person, so they can tell you exactly where the spots are. And what we can do is do it seated, so they're in the normal posture, and they can kind of test and gauge if you're improving it on the run as well. And you also really tell you if you're on the right spots, but also kind of do a bit of dynamic. So kind of when you can feel they're on a good spot, but you kind of want them to kind of weave into another spot, you can they can really use the person as a massage tool. So if you come around here, Leo, you sort of get a bit of a start here, that border of the scap up the top. What do we got? Levator scap, bit of trap tendon there.
That's it, yeah. Oh, there's a bit there already,
yeah. Yeah, so it's just a good connection point, that very first one. So we can clear this, and a lot of times this is a really significant point for people, so they can feel that gun zinging up into their ear or into the neck. We're even going to down around the shoulder blade sometimes, down the arm even. So they kind of can be a real money spot, as we say, like the bang for buck, a spot where it makes a difference in the pain and the function of the area. So so we'll truly try and start there and see how we kind of haven't even moved anywhere yet. So I'm just really trying to honour the tissue that's beneath my thumb, and give it time to respond and melt, and then we can proceed. So about this point here, there's still a little bit in this area. So as I kind of weave up, I could feel there was a spot. So I'm just going to wait on that for a bit.
Yeah, so even you having pressure there has taken away that sort of pinching of lateral flexion.
Yep.
That one always has felt alright. That's sort of like right on where I felt that last bit of pulling when I looked that side.
Yeah.
And same thing there,
Yeah.
yeah.
So we might have fixed you just with one spot.
That's it.
Oh, you
2
reckon?
second video.
Bang for buck. See you later. Fixed.
$200, thank you.
Yeah,
10 seconds.
take the money.
10 seconds in.
Yeah. It's just pay to get the job done, not for how long it takes, is it?
That's it.
Yeah. So let's test that a bit.
Another business.
I reckon ninjas, money laundering. Not really. Getting bang for buck. Some people would pay millions.
So when you're not pushing in there, there's probably still a little bit pinching. It
When you
feels
feel
more
that.
up here, but I reckon there's probably, if you start in that spot and trace up, I reckon you'll probably get it.
I'll use your guidance. I was going to go down when you're pointing up there, but let's get in here again and trace up.
Yeah, I reckon if you follow that up, and then we can get one going down as well.
Let the light in. Here we go.
Let the light in.
Yeah, let there be light.
Shine the light on the darkness.
Yeah, that's right. There's a shadow. We can do it. Oh, you can feel a line, tightness through there.
Yeah. Scoop the bastard out, Ninja.
That's right. Oh. Barry, he's been around. He's been loitering, hasn't he?
You reckon he's going to make another appearance?
Oh, I think so.
Oh.
I think Barry might have a cousin. Looks a bit like you.
Me?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
No, he's pretty ripped.
Oh, there you go.
Wears a similar bouffant. Yeah.
Oh.
Pretty rough around the edges. That Barry's cousin.
Oh. What's Barry's cousin? So Barry's your cousin and this is Barry's cousin.
Yeah, Barry's cousin.
so
it's not me.
So it's your second or third cousin?
Yeah, it must be a third cousin or something.
Or is it from the other side, maybe?
Oh, maybe, yeah.
Not related to you.
Don't want to own them. How's that?
Oh.
Any better? We need more.
I reckon go where you were thinking, Ninja. I'll
go
back
up
you.
here.
Yeah, I'll back you in.
So we'll just go up here into the skull for a start.
Into the skull.
Base of the skull, and yeah, from the anatomy, you know there's tendons joining in here, but also if you go in deeper and then up and under, there's other attachments in the base of the skull. They're little muscles. I saw them in the app the other day.
Oh,
yeah, there's some good little muscles in there. I was thinking,
Do you know the names of those?
No. And they don't know their own name, so
That's it.
fuck, there's two of us that don't know.
All they know is they need to be treated.
They need to be treated. They don't care. They just stuck. We're in pain. They just want to be out of pain. Poor bastards.
They just want to be out of pain and you just want to treat them. So.
Yeah, I want. Yeah, one man's trash, another man's treasure. So, so your trash is fucking gold for me.
Yeah. Doesn't matter what's called.
That's it. So I'm just really pinning up under here. You can see just using one finger. A lot of times that's enough in the neck because it's just bloody sensitive. The muscles are thinner and things like that. A lot of nerve kind of action in these areas as well. So we don't want to.
Scooping that.
So I'm going to scoop that down there like that.
Oh, you come up to a good one.
Yeah. So I'm just scooping down now.
Oh.
So it's going to clean the spine.
Yeah. Oh, feels like this one coming. Oh.
Scoop it down. So yeah, one finger.
You're coming up to one, I reckon.
You can sense it, eh?
Yeah. Keep going. Oh, here we go. Oh, yes, there it is. Oh. Oh.
That's it. Slow and steady wins the race.
Oh. Oh.
Less haste, more speed. Used to say back in the day, 50
Less
years
haste,
ago.
more speed.
Yeah.
Oh.
Do it properly, you get it done quicker.
Oh, okay.
You like that?
Yeah, that's good. Yeah. Oh. Oh.
You don't have to go back and back and back. Fix it up.
Just do it once.
Do it once, do it well.
Oh.
Do it well, do it once. That's right. Well, they say, like, measure twice, cut once.
That's why I didn't become a builder.
If
Measurements were no good and my cutting was no good. I'd measure it and cut it fucking wonky.
No, you got to let people do what they're more naturally inclined to do their jobs, eh?
Oh.
Yeah, we hope everybody out there finds their little purpose in their role. You know, a lot of time in your life is spent working, so got to enjoy what you do. So that's a really important thing. So we don't feel like we're working because we're just having fun with our mates while we help people heal. So, wow, it doesn't feel like work. It's an honour. It's a privilege to be able to work with people on this level and help them go from teardrops to glory, as I like to say. You know, so coming in pain, leave with exuberance. Yeah, vitality.
Oh.
A pathway out.
Oh, that was
here.
it.
Yeah.
I thought that was coming about up when you started up here, but
I reckon if I do a bit of a clamp on that like this,
clamp on that.
and then you can move however you want. Yeah. There's a spot in here.
The old clamps.
Yeah. This massage move has just been made up right now.
Oh, the clamp.
You've seen it live on YouTube.
And you calling it the clamp?
The clamp. The clamp. There's a push from this way and a pull from that way. And then a bit of a movement from Jace. Oh, he's moved over that without being too subtle.
No, that was all right. I felt like it needed
To move,
that.
shift.
Yeah. Oh, it's good.
Yeah, a little bit more, I reckon. Just really pinning that.
Oh, he's a magician.
Yeah, she's feeling a bit better.
Feeling a bit better.
Where we going now? Any little bits and pieces?
One here.
Just there?
But I don't know if I want you to like get me face down for this one. You know where we start the...
Yeah.
But maybe see if you...
I can do it. I'll just for TV.
Right where I am.
Yeah. Let me... Just for TV.
Just for TV.
I'll show you how to get this done. I can pull that up. Is it that one or is it down one? Go up like that and then...
yeah.
Down there more?
Somewhere in there.
If I just kind of wiggle a bit. Yeah, there's one there. It feels a bit... Yeah, when you do that, you can really feel it. When he's going up and down with his head. Yeah, that one.
I've got to brace myself. There we go.
So putting a lot more pressure on this one. Thumb and just my weight as well can get into this. How's it feeling?
It's good. There's not as much pain, but I feel like it was a relevant spot.
Yeah. I'll try and take it out a bit.
Yeah, maybe we're coming out. Yeah, that's probably it. Oh. 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 Oh.
How's it feeling?
Oh, he's done it.
McCain.
McCain, he's done it again. Oh. Pretty bloody good.
Yeah.
Yeah. What else you got for us?
Oh, nothing. It's all in a day's work.
It sounded like he was going to tell us something profound.
No, tell a story.
What else have you got, Nick? Anything else for us?
I just on what I was saying earlier. If people find your purpose. So I think I've been thinking lately. Who am I? So that's a really important question. Everyone should be asking themselves. Do your values determination every 6 months or something like that. Get a snapshot of who you are by what you're doing, what you're thinking about, what you spend your money on, things like that. And if you don't like it, you've got the ability to change because you've had a direct reflection in what you're doing right now. And then sort of ask, what do I want? You know, what do I want out of life? What experience do I want? Things like that, because you don't want to die with regrets. You know, they're the people that aren't happy. So yeah, figure out who you are and then figure out what you want to do and then set about doing it. So, yeah.
That's where you get in your head, isn't it? If you're not on your true path, if you're sort of maybe being misled by what other people are injecting into you. So yeah, if you're off the rails a little bit, then you might be, suffering some mental health issues potentially or something like that. Even if it's just, if you're not truly aligned with what you want to be doing, then that could be something that helps you get back on track by doing what Ninja said, the values and determinations, and not writing down what you think people or what you should be writing down, but what you're actually doing. That's the hard thing, is write down what you're doing. Like, where do you actually spend your time? Are you actually telling yourself, I want to be doing this, but I'm actually playing PlayStation? Or if you want to get your business up here, but you're doing that, well, if you're not doing everything towards getting your business up here, if you're playing majority of your time spent playing PlayStation or whatever, then that's what your values are showing at the moment. So until that flips around, you'll never get your goal of up here unless that is the highest priority. So yeah, that's just something to think about. Yeah, something we do pretty often here as well, just to check in and see how we are on track. And it's interesting, like, how often we do it and how much it changes. Or the last few years, for me, it hasn't changed, but I know for Ninja it's changed quite a lot.
Yeah, when you have kids and things like that.
Probably the first time that I ever did it with you and everything, yours was food was well and truly food and health. And then, like, family, this was probably before your kids, but family was down the bottom, where now it's all, like, food's still a very high priority, but it's just interesting how things have changed.
We change
so
throughout
much.
our life, don't we? We're different at 8 to 18 to 80, you know?
That's right.
We're still the same person, we've got different priorities, different value systems, so that's important. But authenticity, it's the highest vibration, you know? And so at the end of life, we want to have love and wisdom, don't we? So
that's it.
Be authentic, and you're going to have that in spades, so that's it.
That's it.
That's it. It's priceless, isn't it? When you're doing what you want to do, you're kind of hanging out with family and friends and sharing the experience.
Absolutely.
It's awesome.
That's what it's all about.
Yeah. Let's get it done. Thanks for watching.
Thanks
for your
guys.
patronage, and see you soon.
See ya. Bye.